Summary of the Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money explores the profound relationship between human behavior and financial success. Unlike traditional finance books that focus on technical knowledge, budgets, investing formulas, or economic theory, Housel argues that true wealth is driven more by psychology than intelligence. He emphasizes that how people think about money often matters more than what they know about it. The central idea of the book is that financial decisions are not made in spreadsheets. They're made at the dinner table, in moments of fear, hope, and uncertainty. Every person has a unique view of money, shaped by their personal experiences. Someone who grew up during economic hardship will see risk and savings differently than someone raised in a time of prosperity. Thus, financial behavior is deeply emotional and situational. Housel divides the book into 20 short, story-driven chapters, each illustrating a key lesson about money, behavior, and decision-making. One of the most important lessons is the distinction between being rich and being wealthy. Being rich is having a high income today. Being wealthy is having the freedom and time tomorrow. Wealth is what you don't see. The car's not bought, the vacation's not taken, the money quietly invested in compounding over time. Housel reminds readers that wealth is built through patience, frugality, and consistency, not flashy spending. Another major theme is the power of compounding. Housel uses Warren Buffett as an example, not because of his intelligence alone, but because he started investing as a child and stayed consistent for over 75 years. The extraordinary power of time turns average returns into exceptional wealth. Compounding doesn't only apply to money, but also to reputation, knowledge, and relationships. The book also highlights the unpredictable role of luck and risk. Housel argues that success and failure in finance are never entirely earned or deserved. Luck can amplify results, and risk can destroy them. Recognizing this fosters humility and empathy. Don't envy those who are richer, and don't look down on those who struggle. The goal is not to win, but to endure. Another key insight is that saving is more powerful than earning. High income doesn't guarantee financial freedom. Control over one's spending does. Building a margin of safety allows flexibility and peace of mind. Housel emphasizes that personal finance is not about maximizing returns, but about ensuring survival through uncertainty. He also discusses the illusion of control in financial planning. The future is always unpredictable. No one can forecast markets accurately. Instead of precision, focus on resilience, designing a plan that can withstand surprises. Ultimately, the psychology of money teaches that managing money well isn't about intelligence. It's about behavior, patience, humility, independence, and long-term thinking. True wealth is the ability to wake up and choose how you spend your time. In short, Morgan Housel's message is timeless. Financial success is not a hard science. It's a soft skill, mastered through self-awareness, discipline, and understanding what enough means to you. Get your copy of The Psychology of Money from Amazon today. Link in the description below. And remember to subscribe for more money content like this.